I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've got the overexposed clip. Start now by importing it and placing a duplicate on the timeline so you always have the untouched source. Once done, zoom the timeline and enable the viewer so you can spot blown highlights. Make sure to switch to color correction controls. This is where you'll pull exposure back. Don't waste time guessing. Work on the copied clip, scrub the worst frames, and prepare short reference points for before and after comparison. You'll now perform the core fixes. First, pull the exposure slider down enough to recover detail, reduce highlights to tame blown whites while raising shadows a touch to maintain detail in dark areas. Next, increase contrast in small increments to restore perceived depth. Boost saturation only if colors look washed. Use the white balance eyedropper on a neutral midtone or adjust temperature to correct color cast. Once you finish by scanning the full clip for inconsistent exposure across cuts. Apply matching corrections to adjacent clips so transitions look seamless. Render a short test export and review on multiple screens because what looks fixed on your monitor might still clip elsewhere. If you notice persistent blown highlights or banding, don't force aggressive sliders. Instead, step down to the original media or move the clip into a dedicated color grader. If nothing else works, return to the camera master file or use software that supports highlight recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.